Hello teacher, this is a demonstration video of the group 3. I am Nguyễn Trí Anh, the representative of the group. I will present to you about the topic that we're assigned to and the demo of the mobile app. So the topic is about the Ionic framework. I'll give you a brief introduction about it first. The Ionic is developed in 2013. It is a full open source SDK for developing hybrid mobile apps. Based on AngularJS and Apache Cordova, the initial version was launched in 2013. However, the most recent version was rebuilt as a collection of web components, allowing the user to select any user interface framework such as Angular, React, or Vue.js. Ionic components may also be used in the absence of any UI framework. Ionic offers resources and a system for creating hybrid mobile, desktop, and progressive web apps based on current web development methodologies and tools, including CSS, HTML5, and SASS. In particular, mobile apps can be built with these web technologies and then distributed through native app stores to be installed on devices by utilizing Cordova or Capacitor. In the next part, I will give you a little bit about the services and the features of the Ionic framework. So the Ionic employs plugins from Cordova and more recently Capacitor to access host operating system functions like the camera, flashlight, GPS, and other tools. The users can create their own apps, which can subsequently be adapted for use with contemporary browsers, Android, iOS, Windows, and desktop using Electron. By using a streamlined Ionic command line tool to wrap around the build tools Cordova or Capacitor, Ionic enables app development and deployment. Ionic also features interactive paradigms, typography, mobile components, and expandable basic theme. Ionic offers unique components and ways to interact with them via web components. The users can scroll through a list of thousands of items without experiencing any performance hit, thanks to the component called Virtual Scroll. To construct a tab interface with support for native style navigation, history state management, another component called Tab is used. In addition to the SDK, the Ionic offers services that programmers may utilize to activate features like code deployments and automatic builds. Additionally, Ionic has its own IDE called Ionic Studio, and Ionic has a command line interface CLI for project creation. The CLI also enables developers to design app icons, splash screens, enable push notifications, add Cordova plugins and other front-end packages, and create native binaries. Um, so about the Ionic supported platforms, the Ionic support Android 4.4 and up. For iOS, Ionic supports iOS 10 and up, and for Windows, Ionic supports Windows 10 apps. Also, Ionic supports BlackBerry 10 apps. Um, in this demo, is the demo. We built the mobile app using the Angular framework. The reason why we choose this framework because we realized that the Angular framework had quite a few advantages that we could exploit. So we decided to create a to-do software product based on Angular. Uh, Advantages can be specific like type checking. TypeScript, the Angular uses TypeScript, which helps static type checking and optimize code. The Angular also supports dependency injection, which helps to handle complex dependency in our application. Angular also provides UI components and customizable directives for designing and developing UI components. Angular provides a powerful routing system for navigating between pages and other features in application. It also provides support for React Native programming, which helps with handling events and states in application. And finally, it also provides the Angular command line interface, which allows us to quickly generate new components and features in our applications. And when using Angular with Ionic, we can take the advantages of these powerful features to develop high quality and maintainable applications. So next, I will demo our app using Ionic framework. So to start the app, I type Ionic search and wait for a few seconds to start the app. So as the app started, it will automatically create a new window in my web browser. So this is the interface of the app. It is a to-do app. Here we can see the events. The user can cancel the events. The user can know the name of the event, the due of the event. Uh, when the user wants to create a new event, they click on this add button. For example, for some reason, users do not enter all of the fields in this window. And for example, I just click on the date and I add task. It will not create a new event, as it forces the users to complete all of the fields in this task in order to create a new event. For example, I create a new event here called midterm assignment. Priority high, and I will set a date here. I choose a date. It's April 2023, April 38. And I will choose a time here. For example, I will set it at 11:55 p.m. Category, I will choose work. Add task. As you're seeing here, the event is successfully created with a priority of high. If the priority of high is, will show the red circle here. So if I want to create another event, I will write here, for example, homework, priority, middle, set a date to May, 11 May, select 3:11 p.m. Personal, the add task. Is also, it will create a new event here with a priority of the middle, and it will show the yellow circle here. So this is the end of our demonstration video. Thank you for watching.